let's start with our another main topic, which is classroom implementation. And in this main topic, we will be looking at hidden curriculum or hidden agenda, the curriculum from the perspectives of teachers and students. Right. Before we proceed with the discussion of the module, I would just like, there are some questions to be noted, and these are the questions which we will be looking at throughout this main topic of classroom implementation. Well, in terms of hidden agenda, what's understood by the terms official and unofficial or hidden curriculum? Well, I will be pleased if you could take a pause and think for a while what you understand by these terms, or Google out and see what you understand. Secondly, why is it considered important for teachers to know hidden curriculum? Very important questions. Why we need as language teachers to be aware of the aspect of hidden curriculum. In what ways can it exert influence on language teaching and learning? Why the knowledge of, why the awareness about hidden curriculum is important for our own language teaching practice. So these are the questions which we will continue to explore throughout this main topic of classroom implementation. And as I said before, I would be very pleased if you could, pause the video for a while and think about these questions. Well, we are looking at the definitions of hidden curriculum for the moment. So the notion of hidden curriculum was in the field of language curriculum design was introduced by Jackson, and because their study found out that schools actually have got more to give to the students apart from the daily sort of knowledge or daily routine or daily classrooms, right? And then it was furthered by Hedge that lessons, let's read this, it's worth reading the definition because it will give us some information what means by hidden curriculum. Hedge defines lessons which are learned but not openly intended. I mean, the side effects of education or side effects of language learning, such as the transmission of norms, values, and beliefs conveyed in the classroom. So we carry some values, we carry some beliefs about language learning, which may not be explicitly put in the language curriculum document, so they actually exist in reality in the classroom. So this is what actually means by hidden curriculum. We've got some beliefs, we've got some values apart from our own language learning experiences. Let's continue the definitions and try to find out a working definitions for hidden curriculum. Robert Keith Johnson, hidden syllabus, use two terms, hidden syllabus and alternative curriculum. So what it refers to then, the hidden agenda or hidden curriculum, we've got some hidden agendas as language teachers. Some of our students got some hidden agendas in the classroom, their own beliefs. So we use some methods and techniques and materials which are not consistent with the language curriculum document given out by the institute or by the ministry or by a certain province. Right. So according to Noonan, hidden curriculum is referred to as hidden agendas. That's defined as learners' agendas. The agendas, learners are seen as active agents who bring about their own notions of language learning in the classroom. And that's important to consider them. So in brief, hidden curriculum, I think in the light of these some brief definitions, I think its scope is very broad because it entails looking at some external forces taking place in the classroom. For example, the beliefs of teachers about language teaching, the beliefs of students about language learning, and how these beliefs are not in conformity or consistent with the information or given in the document actually. So hidden curriculum is important just to make some key decisions about the implementation of language curriculum design at the level of classroom.